Alright, what's going on, guys? We're currently at Snoqualmie Pass. It's got a good amount of fresh snow, and we're gonna do some backcountry stuff. Still deciding if we're gonna do that peak over there, and I'll be bringing a helmet this time in case I hit any trees, or checking out some waterfalls. So we'll probably decide last minute here. I'll get the split board out and get that set up. Alright, so we just set up with the split portion, so it's all taken apart. I don't have skins on. I'm not used to it. That's all I can say. Like having your feet apart. But I think as long as I keep my feet together, I'm doing alright. Yeah, that's easy. Good. Okay. There's the camera. Drop in. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, I just made like an avalanche crack. That was gnarly. Drop down right here. Whew. Hello. Some spikes? Are you okay? That's okay. Alright. Right here might be kind of icy, just so you know. Man, I should brought my camera. Pissed. Oh man, that is sick. See, I don't know why I didn't bring my camera this time. Still slippery right there. Do not fall to your left on this. Any good. Yeah, shit. Magnificent.
Wow. Wow. Where are you guys snowboarding from?
Oh, I snowboard down.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, way up there?
No.
Oh.
No.
Wow.
Look at these doggos. The whole pack. Yeah, wolf pack. Wowzers! Check this out. Kind of deep. Alright guys, let's take a look at this waterfall. Okay, close and look. Look at that. Big ice. Big ol' ice there. It's like a swimming pool. It's circular. Ow! Got a ring on me. So let's explore the creek. Check out the water. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Avalanche terrain. Extreme. Alright. Anywho, I don't have any of that, but let's just kind of explore around the trees. Some up at the top. Wee woo! Yeah, yeah! Now that's a shot. There we go. Now that's a shot. Flip. And we have converted successfully over to the snowboard style. Now, I've never done this run before, so I'll be really rusty. This is my first time on the snowboard as well. So we'll see how this goes. Alright everyone, remember, look for me in the trees. You'll find me in the trees. Like the Lorax. Okay. We are rolling, and see how it goes. Like I said, I haven't really ridden on this board yet, so that takes some getting used to. That's for ride style wise, but pretty good. Oh yeah, definitely way different than all my other boards. Ooh. Okay, go got the goose here. Oh. Whew. Oh, tree. It's down. These trees. Oh yeah. Okay. The sticks keep hitting me in the head. Every time I lift or something. That, oh, that's a nasty jump. I missed it. Oh! Jesus. Landed. Greetings, traveler. Doing pretty good. What's that?
Beautiful day.
Amazing day. Well, I guess this is where I stop.
Gets pretty flat here.
Yeah.
You get all the turns?
Yep. Sick.
Good to hear.
First time on the split board.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just gotta get used to it. It's not as responsive as what I'm used to, so.
How'd you do in the tree?
Might as well practice. Yep.
Good attitude there.
Alright, you guys stay safe. Hello. Alright, now let's walk back to the car.